today we're going to be doing a makeup challenge. Brody is going to try and do my makeup. We're using foundation, and Brody's going to do it on my face first. So.
Now we're gonna do highlighter on her now. Now we might do a little bit of this general eyeshadow.
Part of the hair. Okay. Alright, so he's just gonna do some blue mascara. Alright, so do you want to do anything else? We have not done blush yet. Alright, let's do some blush. Alright, use a little bit less, okay? Looks so beautiful.
Yeah, well, now we're using this stuff, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. This pretty looking brush.
Unicorn brush.
Yeah, unicorn.
Butterflies.
All like stars. So is it more like foundation? Yeah.
Right now, let's put this on my face.
Okay.
Yay! More lipstick. More lipstick.
I'm just doing a little bit. We're using this little brush. And then the highlighter. Mine.
Oh. All right, well,
Done.
done. All right, so guys, this is my finished look. Yeah? Now I'm gonna be doing my brother's makeup. So,
No.
yeah. All right, so we're just gonna be using the foundation again. I'm just gonna put on my beauty blender. Just gonna put some on your face, man. Come here. Alright, so that's that. Now we are going to be moving on to blush. Oh, that was a lot of blush. Whoops. Okay.
I can turn into a fish, please watch.
I think I'm done with highlighter. We're going to be moving on to eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of a darker color on the outside, like kind of a ombre effect. Alright, now we are going to be moving on to mascara. So I'm horrible at mascara. I'm horrible at mascara. Now eyeliner. Close your eyes.
Gotta open my eyes.
Yes.
Oh.
Now lipstick, I think. Yeah?
Why am I looking like a
Alright.
girl? You look nothing like a girl.
And I think I have some highlighter spots that I actually wanted to do. So I'm just gonna put a little highlighter here. I was drinking orange Gatorade and that made a little bit of an orange mustache, so. I wanna kinda do like bright yellow. No, maybe some blue. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna do bright colors anymore. It's just like, I'm gonna go into this palette now. Pretty pretty.
I don't like this makeup challenge.
This is the makeup look, you guys. This is the finished look, and it's like really cute. Little kiss mark on him. Bye, guys.
Yo, man. Bye.
Bye.
Boogie, boogie, boogie. I see the boogie, everyone. Dun, dun.
Look around the things. Hollywood is coming for you.
No.
Go like this. Wow, holy heck. Beautiful. Thank you. And cut. How do you stop the camera?
I don't know.
Look at me.